like, well, if you get enough people, I can come do a live training. And she spent the entire day at her school teaching how to use it. So, and that's, but it is expensive, and I understand that. The free version lets you do images, which is it's still really cool, and you can still build a lot of complexity. So this is an example of, this is just the screen for what it looks like. It's just an image. This doesn't include the captions the students will click on. So if you want to scan the QR code, you can actually go, it'll take you to this ThingLink, and you'll see all these little round balls of various colors. And then I'll click on the, you guys got it that want it?
Oh, no,
Okay. I'll wait a second, and then I'll click on the link and show everybody what it looks like on the computer. I tried to make it easy for people to use devices to get to the website by adding the QR code.
What are you doing?
So now you are in the ThingLink, and you should see. Did you scan the QR code? You have to scan this.
I did.
Okay.
But do I need to sign in?
You should sign in.
well, we can.
Okay, let me try again. I mean,
Yeah. You got there?
Is that what we do? Yeah.
Okay.
So here's how all those little dots are the interactive content. So I think you have it. Sometimes it's weird, like if you move your phone, they go away because they want you to be able to see the background image. So here, let me do it on the big screen because I can always go back to that screen. So what this allows you to do, see, they color coded. So the red dots are definitions, the black are extra explanations, and the green are videos. So when I go over and gloss, it's going to show me what that links to. So these are these are extra explanations, and then these are definitions. So the student can interact with all of this on their own. All they have to do is have that link to go to here. The teacher builds this however you want to build something. This is not mine. I stole this from ThingLink because it's free, it's shared. So you can build however much complexity into this that you want. You can build Google Forms, you can put Quizlet, so you can add the quizzing features if you want to test to see if they've done something that you've asked them to do on there. A lot of, oh, you're
I know it's terrible. Well, let me just get a picture of what you're doing. Okay, thanks very much. It's a challenging one to stream.
It is, I guess.
But anyway, don't worry. Just ignore me.
Okay, until you put it right in my face, right?
Sorry about that.
So
I promise not to do that again.
like I said, this was a borrowed one. I didn't bake this, but when I started to create mine, what I was trying to do was build in, like, I love this idea of having definitions and information, especially as I'm working with higher level students, that their vocabulary is the part that they're having real tricks with. So I can build in these kind of definitions, and instead of having it be what their translator's giving them, I can make sure it's the right connotative meaning of them. Because I don't know if you've had this problem, but they pull out the translator and everything goes in there. And then they end up with this definition that's not really what the text is talking about. So I get to control what they get when it's through here because I'm the one creating
Right,
that
you're not
information.
passing by in front of me.
Which is
No,
really nice.
I am not moving.
Let me.
Or don't step on my back.
So you have two options when you're going to create a ThingLink. Your options are basically to create your own, which is more complicated, or to do what they call remix. Remix is, if it is a free and available ThingLink, someone else has created and made it public, you can remix theirs, take their content and add what you want, remove what you don't like. That's the easiest way to start with ThingLink. That's the step I'm sort of at. I haven't actually started creating my own yet. I've mostly just been playing with other people's because you got to start somewhere. Again, new technology to me too. So the remix is a really nice feature because you can take something that someone's already put some time in that they've got that has a lot of the content you want and then just tweak it to fit your needs as opposed to starting completely from scratch, which can sometimes be a little overwhelming. Plus, you can look at a whole bunch of other people's and get ideas for how you would like to set the information up.
so how big is that pool?
There's actually a pretty decent number of people on there right now. Getting specific language ones, there's less, but I did a quick search for grammar and pulled up like pages of options. So there are people out there using it. It's just very new. A lot of you say ThingLink and people are like, what? Nobody knows what it is yet, so.
I have a question about because I didn't use it. Is this because I always try to open it? I prepare the presentation to the student, but it doesn't let me to open at the end, you know, because it's like it has a free part and other that is private that you have to pay for that.
You should still be able to open it and share it through the free version. You need to talk to somebody at ThingLink if you're having problems with that.
For example, if you want to show as a presentation, okay, when you click to play this, you can do that. Well, in my case,
Okay, so for instance, this presentation that I have here, I'm not logged in. So this is just by entering the website I got to here, and the interaction is all here. So I'm not paying for this. It's free. So you can publish and post, and that's all free. And so it sounds like there might be just something wrong with your system or with your settings. So that would be something you'd want to just email ThingLink about.
I did, and I took the webinar, ThingLink webinar, because as a teacher, if we take it, or as an institution, we can take it. They can give you the free platform to use it with your student. I did it that way.
Talk to me after. Maybe I can help. I don't know. So then, the other part of this is the 360. I haven't played with this. This is a premium feature, so this costs money. But if you'd like to scan this, you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like, which is, it's really cool, and it's, the students really like it. At least in my experience. I have stolen a couple of people's and played with them. I shouldn't say stolen, that makes it sound like I've done something. I've borrowed, creatively acquired. I'm not sure what the best terminology is for that. Sorry. So when it opens, you should get this image that you can move your phone around, and you have... Now, it should say play. Technically, right now, you're... Oh, so you have a browser that doesn't support it.
Yeah.
Just take a picture of that, right?
If you have a QR code scanner,
Yeah.
then you need to use the QR code scanner to scan it. I was trying to make it easy for people to actually experience the...
It's going to actually be on the video that we're recording right now, so
okay.
people could go to that frame and.
That's really cool. Again,
yeah.
This is not mine. This is someone I stole from someone else.
Yeah.
If you press play, if you have that option, now I'm in the actual environment, and if I scroll around, I will see, this is hard to demonstrate because I can't tell where they are. You'll see little bubbles that have content. And so this could be an immersive environment. Like if you're in a school and you're trying to teach ecosystems, you could use this image and add in the information for the ecosystems, vocabulary items, additional readings. And then at the end, you can have them, you can actually number these little icons. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last step could be a quiz they have to take or something that takes them back out. So you just kind of have to scroll around until you see like, there's a little bubble right here. There's a little bubble.
Besides.
There's a little bubble right there. The little bubbles are where the content is. So if you click on it, then the content opens. But if you're in a true, if you're in VR, they're working on the goggles so that if they're making like eye contact with them, that will automatically play when they go over the bubbles. But that you actually have to have the VR goggles for. This you can do on any mobile device. You don't need the content like that.
And the content is easy to upload in one of these.
Yeah, actually, I can walk you through a little bit of that if you want. You can do this on your phone. You can actually download. There's an app. It's an iOS and Android. It's free to download the app that lets you work with ThingLink on your device. Let me.
But this, the reality that you showed, the picture is that you have the movement, you can add to the...
The 360, these are, okay, now I'm talking about the premium features, because the 360 is a premium feature. It does cost. You have to get the paid version. But I wanted to show it because it's very, very cool. You can create these on your mobile app, but again, you need the premium to do this. The free version will let you create the static, the single image files. The app is just titled ThingLink, I believe. You should be able to find it in the store, and you can download that app. Your little icon should look like a little camera.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Now you can see what else is on my phone. The app lets you do things on your mobile device. So like if you were here and you wanted to take a picture and start doing ThingLink with that picture, you could do it all on your mobile device. You wouldn't need a computer.
It's going to be the same account.
You sign into an account. So like when you download it, you can create your account right on your mobile device, or you can create the account. Oops. This was our playtime. So let me go to the beginning here. Back to this one. I can show you how to do some simple editing in ThingLink. I don't want to log in with Facebook. So this is like the main interface with ThingLink. It's pretty simple, technically. You can find people, you can follow them. So if you find someone that's producing things that you really like, you can just follow them, and then every time they post things, you'll see their posts. You can create something from scratch. This would be something brand new. This is my account information. You can log, all your students do, if they want them to use this and do things, like make things, they can log in, they can get their own accounts. Their account can be tied to yours as the teacher. That's why if you get the premium, your students get the premium. But you can just send them the links to the ThingLink, and then they don't need any account, they just use their, and you can view them on the computer or a device, it doesn't matter. So let's say I want to, I'm going to go to me.
When I try to put it it says to buy it. Is that...
It should be free. The basic ThingLink is a free app. Maybe
But this is your.
Hey, this has been Christine Kitson talking about ThingLink. We're at the TESOL 2017 Seattle. Thank you very much.